7. At present, Anil is 1.5 times of Prithvi's age. 8 years hence, the respective ratio between Anil's and Purvi's age then will be 25:18. What is Purvi's age? So you have to calculate Purvi's age, and they have given the ratio of Anil to Purvi. So Anil to Purvi, the ratio is 25:18. 25:18, that is when after 8 years or 8 years hence, the ratio will be 25:18. But what is Purvi's present age? So with the help of options you solve. Okay, so if you go for general method, definitely it takes too much time. If you want, I can show you, but it takes too much time. Okay, so 50 years is the present age plus 8, that is the future age, that is 58. Next, 28 years is the present age. After 8 years it will be 36. Next, 42 is the present age. After 8 years it will be 50. Next, 36 years is the present age. After 8 years it will be 44. So after 8 years, the age of the Purvi should be divisible by 18, because the ratio of Anil is to Purvi is 25:18. So after 8 years, it should be divisible by 18. So which is the option which is divisible by 18 after 8 years? So the first option says 58. Is 58 divisible by 18? No. 36, 18 twos are 36. 58 is not divisible. 36, 18 twos are 36. Yes, it is divisible. Next, 50, is it divisible? No. Next, 44, it is also not divisible by 18. So option 36 is the answer. But because of none of these, you have to cross verify. Okay, so if it is 36, so 18x is equal to 36, then x is equal to 2. That is 36 by 18, that is equal to 2. So Anil's age is equal to 25x, that is 25 into 2, which is 50. 25 into 2, which is 50. So after 8 years, the ages are 50 and 36. So before present ages means minus 8, that is 42, 36 minus 8, 28. So how many times? You should get 1.5 times. So 42 divided by 28. 42 divided by 28. Okay. 7 4s are 28. 7 6s are 42. 6 by 4, that is 3 by 2, which is equal to 1.5. So exact 1.5 times you are going to get. So option 28 is the right answer. Option 28. So after 8 it is 36. So option 28 is the right answer, because the exact condition we have calculated, and the conditions what they have given in the question is satisfied. It is 1.5 times. Okay, so if you go with the general method, it takes too much time. Okay, so Anil's age is 1.5 times Purvi's age. So Anil is equal to 1.5 times Purvi's age. Next, after 8 years, Anil plus 8, Purvi plus 8. So what is the ratio they have given? 25:18. So with the help of these data, you have to calculate, and it is very, very difficult to go with the general method. Okay, so this method is feasible, and 50 to 60% of the problem you can solve orally. Okay, so let's go to the next problem, problem number 8. Problem number 8. At present, Meena is 8 times her daughter's age. 8 years from now means future. 8 years from now, the ratio of the ages of Meena and her daughter will be 10:3. Will be 10:3. What is Meena's present age? You have to calculate Meena's present age. Okay, so after 8 years, so the options what they have given is Meena's age. Cannot be determined, cannot be the answer. Okay, easily we can determine the age. So it should be none of these, otherwise 32, 40 and 36. Among these three, it should be one. Okay, so after 8 years, so present age of Meena 32. After 8 years, it will be 40. 40 is the present age. After 8 years it is 48. 36 is the present age. After 8 years, that is 44. Okay, so 10:3 is the ratio 8 years from now, that is 8 years hence, that is future. So you have to calculate Meena's age. The ratio is Meena is to daughter. You have to calculate Meena's age, means the Meena's age should divisible by 10. So which is the option which is divisible by 10? So 40, that represents 32. So because of none of the above, we have to cross verify. Okay, you cannot take risk because of none of these. Okay, so M is 10 and okay, it should divisible by 10, and the divisible by 10, the only option is 40, so which is related to 32. So 32 should be the answer. Let us cross verify. Okay, so after 8 years the age is 40, so 10x is equal to 40, therefore x is equal to 40 by 10, which is equal to 4, which is equal to 4. Then 3x is equal to 3 into 4, 12. So after 8 years, the ages are 40 and 12. So after 8 years, 8 years hence, 8 years hence, the ages are 40 and 12. So before 8 years if you go, so I go 8 years back, 8 years back. Okay, so 32 and 4. What they are telling, the Meena is 8 times her daughter. So 8 times her daughter means 4 into 8, that is equal to 32. Okay, and which answer we got? That is also 32. So both are 32. So 32 is the right answer. So whatever the method we have discussed now, this is the feasible one. Okay, so go with this type of methodology instead of solving each and every problem through the general method. Obviously, the general method will take too much time. Okay, general method will take too much time. So option A, 32 years is the right answer. Option A, 32 years is the right answer. If you want to solve through general method, see here, according to the present condition, what they have given, Meena is 8 times her daughter. So Meena is equal to 8D. Next, 8 years from now, so Meena plus 8. Next, daughter plus 8. The ratio is 10:3. 10:3. In the place of M, we can write 8D. So substitute 8D here. Okay, so if you substitute 8D, then 8D plus 8 by D plus 8 is equal to 10 by 3. Now you cross multiply. So 8D plus 8 into 3 is equal to 10 into D plus 8. 10 into D plus 8. So 8 3s are 24D plus 24 is equal to 10D plus 80. 10D plus 80. So 24D minus 10D is equal to 80 minus 24. 80 minus 24. So 24D minus 10D, it is 14D. So which is equal to 56. 80 minus 24, it is 56. Okay, so D is equal to 56 by 14. So 14 3s are 42, 14 4s are 56. So the present age of D is 4. The present age of D is 4. Then M is equal to 8D, which is equal to 8 into 4, which is equal to 32. See, you can compare the first methodology and second methodology. The second methodology, what we have discussed, is the general method. It is taking too much time and too many calculations. The first method was very simple, so please adopt the first method, and the age of Meena is 32 years. Let's go to the next problem, problem number 9. Problem number 9. Raman's present age is 3 times his daughter's and 9/13 of his mother's present age. The sum of the present ages of all three of them is 125. What is the difference between the present ages of Raman's daughter and Raman's mother? So, which methodology we have to adopt here? That is the question. Ratio method. Have they given the proper ratio between those three? No. Can we go with the option method? So they have given the difference of Raman's daughter and Raman's mother. So directly we cannot go. It will become too lengthy. So the only feasible method is the general method. So Raman's present age is 3 times the daughter's. Okay, 3 times the daughter's means Raman's present age. Raman is equal to 3 times of his daughter's age. Next, Raman is equal to 9/13 of his mother's present age. 9/13 of his mother's age. Okay, so now one more condition they have given. The condition what they have given is Raman plus daughter plus mother is equal to 125. 125. So we have to calculate the difference between Raman's daughter and Raman's mother. So mother minus daughter we have to calculate. We have to calculate mothers minus daughter. So R plus D plus M is equal to 125. What do you mean by R? R is nothing but 3D. So in the place of R, I can write 3D. So 3D plus D as it is you take plus. What do you mean by M? Okay, M means 13 into R by 9. M means 13 into R by 9. Then what do you mean by R? R is equal to 3D. So in the place of M, I can write like this, 13 into R. R means 3D. 3D by 9. So 3 ones are, 3 threes are. So 13D by 3. 13D by 3. So which is equal to 125. So LCM is 3. You go for 3. LCM is 3. You go for 3. So 3D into 3. So that is 9D plus 3D plus 13D is equal to 125. Is equal to 125. So you cross multiply the denominator and 125. So 9D plus 3D. Okay, 12D. 12D plus 13D, 25D. 25D. So 9D plus 3D, 12D. 12D plus 13D, 25D. So 25D is equal to 125 into 3. Therefore, D is equal to 125 into 3 by 25. By 25. So which is equal to 25 4s are 100, 25 5s are 125, 5 into 3, 50. So the age of D is 15, but what they are telling, we want to calculate the difference of mother and daughter. So mother is equal to 13 by 3 into D. So which is equal to 13 by 3 into 15. So 13 5s are 65. So the difference between mother and daughter is equal to 65 minus 15. So the answer is 50. Okay, option C is the right answer. So this is the general method. You have inevitable option. You have to go with the general method because you don't have any proper ratio to calculate and you don't have any proper options, okay, to use. Okay, so Raman's daughter and Raman's mother, so the difference they are asking, so you have no option, you have to go with the general method. So the difference between the mother and daughter is 50. Option C is the right answer. Let's go to the next problem, problem number 10. The difference between the ages of Meena and Seema is 3 years and the ratio between their ages is 7:8. What is the sum of the ages? Okay, so you have two methodologies. One with the help of ratio you can come and another one with the help of options you can come, and definitely you can use the general method also, but let me discuss the ratio method first and the option method. Okay, so they have given the difference between their ages. So ages are 8x and 7x. 8x and 7x. So the difference is 8x minus 7x, that is x, that is 3. That is 3. Now they are asking to calculate the sum of their ages. So 8x plus 7x, which is equal to 15x, which is equal to 15 into 3, that is 45. So the sum of the ages are 45. Option C is the right answer. Otherwise, if you want to calculate, directly you can calculate 7 is to 8. Sum means 7 plus 8, which is equal to 15. So the sum of their ages should be divisible by 15. So which is the option which is divisible by 15? You have only one option, that is C. So C is the right answer. 45 is the right answer. Okay, so let's go to the next problem, problem number 11.